I'm going to go over to the piano, switch that on over here. So let me just mess around and see what I come up with to this beat. So right now I'm in E minor. This idea ready. So what I'll usually do is I'll just sort of play around. When I have a basic idea, just explore different possibilities before I start recording, just in case there's some notes in there that I discover that I wasn't aware of that kind of change the feel a little. So that's what I'm just going to be doing right now. Like that. So even though you can't hear it, I've got the metronome on just to stay in time. So let me go for it. Here we go. So let's just listen back to that real quick. Just going to quantize it to 16th notes.